Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your DNS and you can change your DNS setting for faster browse. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. DNS is domain name system, works like the internet phone book. It's turn website name into IP address. Best public DNS for Google DNS is 888 and 8. Now I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS setting in Windows. Simply press Windows plus R and here type this command ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Right click on the active network. So this is our active network and go to properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. From here select use the following DNS server address and we need to put some number in here. It's 111 and 1. The alternative DNS server you need to type this 1001 and click on OK and click on close. But if you want to change your DNS in macOS, then you need to see this. For extra optimization tips, we need to open our command prompt, type cmd and run as administrator. After that type this. Now it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now I'm going to close this one and now I'm going to test our DNS speed using this site. Click on dnsperf.com. So you can see our DNS. So guys, this way you can change your DNS and speed up your browser. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.